The tools you need are very simple. Two 9/16 wrenches, a 13/16 socket, and a ratchet. That's all you need to put up the skid plate on the Super Duty trucks. First, we're going to use the existing holes provided by the manufacturer. I've already installed one bolt and nut. Now I'm going to go and install the next one. This is where you're going to use two 9/16 wrenches to tighten these bolts up. Next, we're going to use a 13/16 socket to remove the two nuts that hold the rear transmission mount. We'll take the front two nuts and put them on and tighten them again with a 9/16 wrench. Okay, so now you're going to install both of the nuts that hold the rear transmission mount, and you're going to tighten these up, again using your 13/16 socket. You want to tighten these as much as you can, to close to 65 square foot-pounds as possible. Okay, so now your skid plate is installed. I'd like to thank Gary Yomans For, Daytona Beach for the use of their shop and the truck.